Well, hi there. I'm Kristen, and I'm with One Focus Property Management. And today I'm taking you on the tour of 106 West Church Street, apartment number 1 in Lock Haven, Pennsylvania. This is a second floor apartment with 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, and it's so super cozy and just missing you. So I'm going to take you through, show you all the amazing things about this place. And after I do that, I'm going to tell you how to make this amazing place the next place you're definitely calling home. So let's go. All right, we are starting outside, so you can take a look at the surrounding neighborhood and also the exterior of the home. Now this is street parking only, so you can see there is parking here on the street, so you'd be able to park a car there and have any guests park there. And then you would go back through here, and the trash removal area is in the back of the property. Now we're going to come up on the porch here, and we're going to go inside, and you go right up these stairs here. Come up the steps. You've got your own private entry. And when you come inside, you are greeted by your super adorable kitchen. You've got a full-size stove, full-size fridge, you have a microwave, and you've got a little bit of cabinets to be able to use for storage. It also leads you right into the bathroom. You can see your toilet's tucked away over here, and amazingly enough, you have a full-size bathtub, nice tall shower head, you've got a medicine cabinet mirror, and a little vanity with some additional storage. Now we're going to come right into the largest of these rooms. Now, personally, I was going to put a couch in here, something like that. You could really make a cozy living room space. You've got a nice big closet, you've got to put things inside, gives you a really great area to be able to entertain if you have some company over, or you could set up a nice entertainment center over here, get your couch in over here. The options are very limitless. I'm going to come across here into this carpeted room. It's a little on the long side, but it opens up down here, and this would make a really great bedroom. You can kind of bring your bed and butt it up into here. You have some space in here. You've got another closet with just a hang bar, but there's a little shelf over here with some hooks on it. And then last but not least, you have kind of like a multi-purpose area, which you could certainly slice up however you want to. Even if you wanted to do a bedroom and do an area rug in here, that would always be a great option. You can also do like a dining room kind of office combination if you need a place to sit with a table and chairs. And then you have a closet in here that's kind of like a standalone thing that you'd be able to use for storage. So wow, it's cozy, it's cute, it's ready for you. So what you need to do is go to our website at www.onefocuspm.com. You're going to look at our listing and be able to find all the information about the property. You're going to be able to book your tour, and you will even be able to submit your application. If you'd like to talk to a live person today, give us a call at the office at 570-505-3347. At One Focus Property Management, we pride ourselves in helping people just like you find that next place that they're calling home. So check out the website and give us a call today, because I am anxious to help you make this your place.